Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have decided to do some acrylic nails using the Fantasy Nails nail forms. So these are nail forms from Fantasy Nails, and what I'm doing here is I'm just doing like a marble effect. I love doing the marble effect. I'm using 3 different colors. One is Verde Menta by Fantasy Nails, number 42. And the other one here is Bougainvillea, number 34 by Fantasy Nails. And the pink that I'm using there is a custom pink that I got from Stacy Baltodano here on YouTube. She makes colored acrylics. And just right here I'm applying some beautiful like flakes glitter mix, and I'm doing the same thing on this nail here. I'm putting the 3 colors and I'm just doing a marble effect. I'm using a size number 8 Kolinsky brush I got from eBay. It's no name, but I mean this brush works really good. And so as you see, I'm just kind of applying it wet to kind of give the marble effect. And I'm wiping the side walls because it does drip down the side, so I kind of clean that up. And as you can tell, I'm doing some long nails because that's what I love. And I'm just applying it right here to the cuticle, making sure not to touch the skin. And also when you're applying colored acrylic to your nail bed, you want to apply a clear acrylic real thin to your nail bed to prevent any staining from your acrylic colors. And right here on my middle finger, I am applying a custom glitter mix and also a custom orange that I made. So I'm just applying that to the whole nail. So once I finished applying my orange glitter mix and acrylic, I am now encapsulating the whole nail with clear acrylic, and I'm using Mia Secret clear acrylic. And I'm just going to go along and I'm going to encapsulate all my nails. Okay, so right here I am doing a 3D flower on the side of the nail, and I'm using a number 5 3D brush. And what I've done is I have took a small bead of some pink acrylic and I set it on the nail like I'm doing right here, and then I wait until it gets to the right consistency to work with it. And after I got the shape that I'm looking for, I took my brush and I dipped it down into the Verde Menta green by Fantasy Nails. I said Verde Menta green. I meant Verde Menta number 42. And I just got a small bead of it and I just applied it to one side of the petal. And as you see, I'm just making little petals. But the key is you got to wait till that acrylic is at the right consistency to work with it. And one way to tell is once that acrylic turns kind of a dull looking, when it's not it's not too shiny, it kind of gets a dull look to it. That's one of the ways you can tell when the acrylic is ready to work with. because it's hard when it's wet, really wet. So, but what I'm doing is I'm just taking my brush and I'm just pushing from the middle, from side to side, and then I'm just bringing it on out, making a little like a little peak. So right here, I'm just doing another layer of the petals to give it like some definition. And I've applied 2 beads here. While I'm working on 1 bead, the other one can be drying up a little for me to work with. And it was quite wet. I don't know what was going on today, but I managed to work with it. Now I am applying my no wipe glass finish top coat. And look at the shine, look at the shine, I love it. Here it is, the final results. So what I've done with the flower nail was I just got some rhinestones, and I put the rhinestone right in the middle with some glue, and I just put some little silver beads around it and just put some little rhinestones on the nails to give it a little bling. There's my C curve. Look at those. Oh, love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for more videos to come. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so and make sure to hit that notification bell. And if you guys would like to see other videos, you know, give me some recommendations. Let me know what y'all want to see. And until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye. Adios.